With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question given here is the correct statement is or are. So there are 4 options given to us and we have to check whether these statements are correct or not. So let's see the first statement given here, that is in metallurgy of iron, flux is a substance which is used to convert infusible impurities to fusible mass. Okay, so this is a correct statement here because if we look at the metallurgy of iron, what happens? Limestone is added in it. Okay, limestone acts as a basic flux here and this removes the impurities by changing it to a fusible mass, and that mass is called as the slag. So in form of slag we can remove the impurities. Okay, now this statement is correct. Let's see the second statement given here, that is the cryolite is Na3AlF6 and is used in the electrolysis of alumina for lowering the melting point of alumina. So that's a true statement again, because if we look at the formula of cryolite, yeah, it is Na3AlF6. Okay, during the electrolysis of alumina, what happens? The mixture is boiling at a very, that is the ore which is boiling at a very high temperature, that is about 2050 degrees centigrade. And at that much high temperature, which is very difficult to attain at the industrial level and maintain it, and even if you can achieve this much temperature, then it is difficult for the alumina to get in the suitable form, because the aluminium which is obtained as a result of this process is getting vaporized at this much high temperature. Okay. So it was needed to lower down the temperature. For lowering down temperature, cryolite is added to it, the reaction mixture, and the temperature comes down to the 950 degrees centigrade. So reaction can happen at 950 degrees centigrade by addition of cryolite. So one problem was solved, and again one more problem is solved by addition of the cryolite, that is the conductivity of alumina is increased. Conductivity of alumina is increased. So process can be carried out very smoothly if the conductivity of alumina is increased by the addition of cryolite, okay, in the Hall-Héroult process. So you can say that the statement B is also correct here. Now let's look at the third statement given here, that is the combination of FeO with SiO2 must be avoided in the metallurgy of copper. But that is a false statement. Let's see how. This statement is false. If we are looking at the metallurgy of copper, then copper pyrite is used as an ore for obtaining copper. Then in this the iron is present as the impurity, and for removing this impurity, what happens? An acidic substance, that is silica, is added, and that can combine with the iron oxide and it can be removed. This impurity can be removed from the ore in form of iron silicate. Okay, that is iron silicate. So iron silicate, in the form of iron silicate, we can remove the impurity of iron from the ore of copper. So this statement is false here. Now let's look at the fourth statement, that is the lead can be extracted by self-reduction of galena. So yeah, that is a true statement here. So let's see how. This is a true statement. If we are considering the fourth statement, then what is the formula for galena? That is PbS. PbS is the ore of lead from which we can extract out the lead. If the self-reduction is the process which can be used, let us see what is the self-reduction process. When lead PbS, that is galena, is heated in presence of oxygen, then reaction occurs like this, that is PbO is formed, okay, along with the sulfur dioxide. So let's put 2 here, then 3 here, and then 2 here. So this is a balanced equation by which we can represent the oxidation of ore, as a result of which PbO is formed. That is, oxide of lead is formed. Now this ore reacts with its own oxide and can give us lead here. Okay, so we can get the 3 molecules of lead here, and sulfur dioxide would be removed as it is from the gas in the gaseous form from the reaction mixture. So we got the lead here. Then let's balance this equation given here. So this process is termed as self-reduction. That is, only oxygen is required and the reaction will go on and we can obtain the lead here. So we can say that the 3 statements are correct here, that is A, B and D are correct here, and the one statement which is false is C.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.